back to our channel, Coggins Kitchen.
I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Julia.
Today we'll be making mini cheesecakes.
It's a classic Kraft recipe, one that our great-grandma used and our Nana passed along to our Aunt Nancy.
We decided that today we would try it out.
The tools you will need for this recipe are a Ziploc bag, a rolling pin, a medium-sized bowl and a microwave-safe bowl, a spoon, paper cups, toothpicks, measuring cups, measuring spoons, spatula, standing mixer, muffin tin, and a cooling rack. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are 1 cup graham cracker crumbs, 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons sugar, divided, 3 tablespoons of butter, melted, 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese softened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, we use rum, 3 eggs, 1 cup of whipping cream or heavy cream, a cup of strawberry jam, a half a cup of shredded coconut, or any toppings that you'd like. Before you start any cooking project, it's very important that you wash your hands.
Preheat the oven to 325 degrees on bake.
If you don't have a food processor, you can make graham cracker crumbs by placing the graham crackers into a Ziploc bag and using a rolling pin to crush the graham crackers until they resemble crumbs.
Combine the graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and butter into a bowl.
Line the muffin tray with paper cups. If the graham cracker mix looks too dry, add another tablespoon of melted butter. Place a spoonful of the graham cracker mixture into the bottoms of the lined muffin tray. Then, press down firmly with either the bottom of a glass or something else that fits inside.
Beat the cream cheese, vanilla, and remaining sugar in a standing mixer until blended.
Add the eggs one at a time on low speed until blended.
When the mixture looks well blended, take an extra minute to scrape down the insides of the mixing bowl. Then, mix again for another minute until well combined.
Spoon this mixture into the muffin tray.
Put the cheesecakes in the oven and let them bake for 25 to 30 minutes.
Halfway through the baking cycle, you can take your muffin tray out of the oven, sprinkle on a topping, or spoon one in to make sure it's well incorporated into your cheesecake.
Time has just gone off, so we're going to take them out of the oven. The centers are almost set. They're perfect.
Once removed from the oven, set them on a cooling rack. Allow the cheesecakes to cool completely and refrigerate for 2 hours. If you didn't already add a topping, add it now and then enjoy.
It's really sticky.
I think they're perfect. Look at the texture.
Yeah, it's nice and smooth.
And they taste great. Look at that. They didn't even break on top.
Oh my gosh, these are literally so good.
This is a recipe everyone should use. They're amazing.
Yeah, literally.
You guys, seriously. Even if you're not a cheesecake lover, you should use it.
Mm.
Thanks for cooking with Coggins Kitchen. Bye.
Bye.